Hello guys. Welcome to Life and Living channel. This is our video tutorial, part 1.
How to change image background the easiest way. In this video we are going to change background of an image or picture. Step by step. Step 1. Choose a picture. Example, you have this picture of a woman with birds. But you don't like the background, so it is easy, we will change it. Step 2. Search to Google, remove BG. Step 3. Upload image. Background is already removed, so, step 4. Download image. This is now the result of the image with no more background. Now we achieved our first goal to remove the background. So I invite you to subscribe our channel and click the notification bell so that you will be notified in our next video. Let's go to our second goal. To change the image background. Step 5. Go to canva.com, click the link in the description below, then create an account using your email. Step 6. Click Create a Design. Step 7. Click Facebook. There are many you can choose, but for illustration purpose, we will use image for Facebook. Step 8. Click Uploads. We will now upload the image with no background to canva.com. Step 9. Click the image, then click Open. Image is already uploaded in Canva. Step 10. Click Background. Choose background, but if you don't like, Step 11. Click Photos. Choose a photo to background. Step 12. Click that photo. Step 13. Adjust photo to fit, then go to Uploads to click the image. Step 14. Click the image, then adjust the image to the appropriate size. This is the image with new background. Step 15. Click Share to download the image. Step 16. Choose JPG, then click Download. There are so many things you can do using Canva. So I'll make another tutorial for Canva. Thank you for watching, and see you on my next videos.